Welcome back, you pyros, to another video product from Top Gun Firework 7-color smoke. As you guys can see, we got the white, the red, the blue, the purple, the orange. The purple might be one of my favorite, and it's also safe and sane, as y'all can see. Picked them up, like I said, at Red Apple, so enjoy. Let's get it.
Oh, it's a super nice color.
Super nice orange, it's like a volcano. Oh, that looks nice. Nice red. It's like a Cheeto color. It's still going up there. Alright, here goes for the next color. Y'all see it. The green smoking by Top Gun. I always forget the name. There you go. That was only 30 seconds. When it does that little volcano shit, I personally don't really like that because it wastes a lot, and I feel like it's not really built as good as it should. My opinion. I don't know if I'm correct or wrong, but yeah. Then it leaves a big old mess. Alright, on to the next one.